Primary 2. Here I am, Teacher Ezekiel. I'm going to teach you literacy. You're welcome. Have a seat and wait for me. I'm just very ready to talk about what I've prepared for you in this lesson. However, I remind you to sanitize. I remind you to wash your hands regularly. And if possible, keep a distance. So today, Primary 2, I'm here. I want us to talk about literacy. One, we are going to talk about our home and the community. Our home and the community. We all know what a home is. Actually, where you are right now, it is a home. You're in a house, it is a home. So, I will come to this lesson. What is a home? If you already know where you are, it is a home. A home is a place where people stay or live. Where you're staying right now, where you're living right now, that is a home. And it's what we are talking about. What is a home? A home is a place where people stay or live. Okay? A homestead. A homestead is a place, is a home and its surroundings. A home and its surroundings. Let's say your house where you are right now, then the neighboring houses that are around your house is what we're referring to as a homestead. A home and its neighbors. It's what we are talking about as a homestead. A family. Remember, a family cannot be there without a home. A family is the smallest unity of anything in the country. Everything starts with a family, which must live in a home. What is a family, class? A family is a group of people related by blood, marriage or adoption. A family is a group of people related by blood, marriage or adoption. What do you mean by this? People can come together and form a family by marriage. People can be a family by blood, related by blood. You're from the same father, but from different mothers. You form a family still. When you're from the same father and same mother, you still form a family. That's marriage. Adoption. Children have been adopted today. They get children from the street. Children these days, there are some careless mothers who throw just children on the street. Oh, sorry about that. It's very bad in our country. And some people who have mercy on these children, they go and adopt them. They become their own children. So that's what we're referring to as adoption. Types of families. We all know that we have two types of families. We have the nuclear family, which is this one, and we have the extended family, which is this one here. So where you are, I want us to do not forget after this lesson, you'll get time and you draw for me these families. Draw for me a nuclear family, draw for me an extended family. Here we go. A nuclear family is a family where we find father, mother, and children only. Father, mother, and children only. What does that mean? It is a family made up of only three groups of people. The father, the mother, and the children only. That's all. The other family, which involves the rest of the members, that's now an extended family. It is a family where we find a father, we find a mother, their children, and other relatives. Other relatives. When we talk about relatives, there are very many, as we're going to see examples of other relatives that we have. So, members that are found in an extended family, we have the father we talked about, mother. Now, when we come to children, we shall have the brother, we shall have the sister. Those are children. Then the relatives, all these are relatives, starting with uncle, aunt, cousin, niece, grandfather, grandmother, and the nephew. All these are relatives in an extended family. So, in other words, an extended family is bigger than a nuclear family. A nuclear family is small because it's having only 2-3 categories of people: the father, the mother, and the children. This one is having the other three, and it has the rest of the relatives. So class, here I have my simple activity. I know you can manage it. Answer for me, who hates the family? I've already talked about him. To draw for me the space of a nuclear family, and you also help me name for me a member that is found both in extended and nuclear. You can also help me draw them, and whoever is going to have the best picture, you shall have a prize for me. So do not forget, you being children who are already in a home, in a family, you know the homestead. You will state for me 3 roles of children. What you do at home is what I want. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.